Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the first episode of my podcast and today with us we have my very good friends Aro and Prachi. So without further ado, let's get started with the introduction.
Okay, so hi, my name is Arohi and I'm doing my master's in environmental science. I've been in Adelaide for 6 months and with all the ups and downs, I'm still coping with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, I am Prachi. I'm from India and I have been here in Adelaide since February 2020 and I'm studying a Masters of Environmental Science at UniSA and yeah.
So in this podcast we are going to talk about the difficulties that the international students, especially girls, are facing when they landed here and what should be the suggestions to cope up with the situations. So let's hear it from both of them. What difficulties that you faced when you first landed here?
Not sort of difficulties or anything, but yeah, a rush of nervousness, which we can say, or like how our life will be, because I don't know, the feeling was like jumbled, lot of things, nervousness, excitement,
Yeah.
all the things at the same time. So a little bit like blank, but I don't know what to say. Like
Fair enough. And what about you?
Well, I landed in Melbourne and I stayed in Melbourne for a month with my uncle. So I was quite
We will
fine
discuss
in
that
Melbourne.
later.
I was very fine in Melbourne. People there were asking me how am I finding the place, and then I was like, yeah,
I think having friends here makes it little easy.
yeah, exactly.
Friends become family.
Yeah.
That's what I have experienced, because back in India, I had family with me, so I didn't, have that reality check that friends are that important. But coming here and living with friends and making them a family is kind of a little bit new for me.
Okay.
Okay, for me it was fine. I'm glad to find her because I don't get along with people easily.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm glad to find you too. Don't worry about that. But you're not inviting me for momos, so I'm
Thank
quite
you.
disappointed.
Thank you. What about your work life? Can you talk something about your work
Very
life?
difficult.
Very
it's very difficult
difficult.
to find
Very
a job.
difficult.
It's very difficult to find a job
Yeah.
and
Once we find a job, then it's very difficult to
cope
get
up,
cope up with
Yeah.
it.
So for those of you who don't know about the work criteria we are supposed to work only 40 hours a fortnight and as a casual or part-time whatever. So but it is really difficult to get a job here, especially in Adelaide, right?
Yeah.
Especially
So-
in COVID situation.
Yeah. And beforehand as well. So are you working somewhere?
Yeah.
I'm right now doing menu log.
She's doing menu log.
Yeah.
And can you talk something about menu log?
At first, it did not feel like work because all I had to do was drive.
Yeah.
I could, while waiting for the order, I had time to talk to my friends back in India, talk to my family. So it was like, yeah, it felt very
So you
relaxing.
liked it?
Doesn't, yeah, at first, but now it's very tiring.
Okay. What about you?
I'm working as a cleaner
Yeah.
and I'm doing menu log as well.
Yeah.
Cleaning job is like at the beginning it's like okay, no problem, it's just cleaning, we have to just clean and all. But later on it gets very hectic, and especially my job timing is at very odd times.
Yeah.
I have to wake up at 5 in the morning.
How much do you earn in a fortnight? Just
Ah,
give me a
don't
ballpark-
ask, don't
give me-
ask.
Give me a ballpark figure. If you
In a fortnight,
yeah,
Okay.
almost.
400 to 500 depends
Yeah.
on the delivery.
And how many hours do you work?
20 hours a fortnight.
20 or
I
40?
tried. Sorry, 40 a fortnight.
40.
20 a week. I
40.
try to get all the 20 hours, but
Yeah.
at times I don't.
That means Minlog is not paying you more?
No, not
It
at all.
depends on deliveries.
Yeah,
Like
it
some weeks goes very nice and
Yeah.
some like
So what about your income?
same
Same?
same range.
Okay, they're on the same boat right now. How is your uni life going on? Actually, they are studying in University of South Australia, so am I. What's your experience here?
Uni is, I think, great for me.
Mhm.
I'm enjoying here. New sort of exposure to education system,
Yeah.
and yeah, I'm enjoying it.
I'm enjoying it too.
Out of 5 stars, how much would you like to rate our UniSA? 5 being the very excellent one and 1 being the poor.
I'll give 5.
Yeah, same,
Five?
5.
This is not a biased review, guys. This is actually I'm giving 5. I'm rating 4 out of 5. Alright. So
Why so?
Why 4? Yeah.
Yeah. Where did that 1 point go?
there should always be some scope of improvement.
Oh, okay.
Nobody is perfect. Nothing is
Okay.
perfect.
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay.
Fine. Good.
Got there. Okay, so it's really tough for girls everywhere. I'm not trying to be like biased, but it's really tough to get job,
Yeah.
be settled, and yeah, it's really tough. So how did you manage? Came within?
At first, it
Yeah.
was, the contemplation.
Yeah.
Mm,
In your mind or others?
contemplation in my mind.
Okay.
It was like, okay, fine. But then there comes a point when it's more like you start stressing about it.
Yeah.
But I
frustration
realized
builds
one
up.
thing, I cannot just sit and stress about it. I have to keep working and have to keep going.
Yeah.
Go with the flow,
Mhm.
try to get better with the flow. So, yeah.
So
I think it's more about people's mentality, other people's mentality, because I have seen most of the times that, especially in work life, that it is very male-dominating society.
yeah, true.
And that's the reason why we girls don't get chance sometimes, because it's the like a few days back I went for a job for the training,
Mhm.
and I got an answer that we need boys for delivery, like for delivering the food, and not girls.
Okay.
And I don't know what's the reason for not selecting girls.
Jumping into another section, what are the tips and tricks to get a job in Adelaide? Since Adelaide is a regional area of South Australia, regional zone, yeah,
Yeah.
and it's really difficult to find a job here. So, what are the tips and tricks that you recommend to the newcomers?
But for getting a job, you should know how to sell yourself.
As in,
Yeah, how to build a good resume,
Yeah.
or how to write a good what we say, cover letter.
yeah.
That's how we sell ourselves.
The most frequently asked question is it really possible if you get a job 40 hours a fortnight, will you be able to pay uni fee?
That also depends on how the
What
job
is
you
the
are doing
pay?
and how much
Yeah,
they are paying us.
Because there are jobs which offer $10 an hour, and I
Yeah.
don't think it's worth it.
Actually, legally, no job in Adelaide or in Australia should pay $10 an hour.
But there are.
Yeah.
They are, and nobody's complaining.
I don't know, I heard this many times here, that don't keep grudges with people here. Anyone can be like in help anytime.
It is something
So
I
yeah,
strongly
I hear it
disagree.
every time.
That is the
Yeah.
most stereotypical thought.
Yeah, and this can
I
never
think
be
you can never
possible.
make everyone happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even I am not happy
Sometimes-
with the.
Even I'm not happy with you. Where are the momos?
Yeah. So if you have chance to go back in time, 1 year or 1.5 year back, will you still choose to come here?
Yeah.
Yep.
And what's the reason behind that?
I don't know, I'm just enjoying
I'm
my life
improving.
here.
That's what I think.
You're improving?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Improving a lot.
I'm finding
I'm
myself
on my
here
way
now.
to become self-efficient, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Earlier I was not.
Mm-hmm.
Earlier I was not, and at first it was pretty hard for me.
Yeah.
But now I think I can, and I
You
will.
can. You will. On this positive note, I am going to end my podcast. I am very much grateful to these two talented people that they gave me time. Time is money here. They asked me no money to shoot this video, and what are
There
you
is
doing?
no money.
What are you doing?
Time
And thank you so
is
much.
money. Yeah.
Thank you.